I've read about the goals of transforming communities, changing fintech, or solving climate change. When multi-billion-dollar industries are reconciling with realistic ESG and climate change targets, the ambitious problem you plan to solve must be based on our world's reality. A factor that you should closely consider before defining the problem you wish to solve with an MBA is the distance from the goals. In 2012, if you are applying, ambitious goals around climate change would seem inspiring. The farther the goal, the more time we have as a society to understand the reality. The closer we are to a deadline, the more realistic we are about achievable milestones. 2030 is that deadline. What is the market reality now? There is an increasing disruption from AI. AI is consuming more energy. Either renewable, including nuclear energy, must be scaled at an incredible pace, or some regulation around fossil fuels should be pulled back. But if you look historically at resistance from local communities against companies over-consuming water or the fightbacks against nuclear waste, you should know that the goals are not realistic for the AI industry. A government with libertarian ideals is unlikely to interfere with market forces. Most right-leaning governments in the world favor market forces to settle the trend. This year, the problem of tackling climate change has a new factor: the incredible investments in AI and the energy it demands. The old narrative of tackling climate change was mostly around policy, systems to measure or trade carbon emissions, and user adoption of renewable technology. Now, with a larger supply of green technology and products, including electric vehicles, user adoption depends on the job market. When AI is disrupting livelihoods, consumers are unlikely to adopt a new and costly technology. Be aware of the trends and investments by reading private equity, venture capital, and investment banking trends at premium.fngmat.com. They are often a leading indicator of achievable and ambitious goals. Also, read policy changes happening around the world, especially in the US and China. For help defining ambitious long-term problems for your MBA goals essay, contact FNGMAT at store.fngmat.com/contact-FNGMAT, or you may contact me, Atul Jose, at editor@fngmat.com.